The Kids Help Phone is available for counseling every day and at all hours. Counseling means talking to a person whose job it is to help kids with any problems, questions, or concerns they may have, and to offer support, information, or referrals. Counselors answer phone calls and online questions from kids across Canada. Counseling through Kids Help Phone is free, anonymous, and confidential. In other words, you won't pay for the service, you won't have to tell your name, and what you talk about will not be shared with others. You can call 1-800-668-6868, or you can ask your question on the Kids Help Phone website. Family Justice Services help families resolve disputes about separation and divorce. The best interest of children is emphasized. Free counseling services may be available for children through Family Justice Services. You may also find the Office of the Child and Youth Advocate helpful. It promotes the rights and views of children and youth in our province. Call this office if you want to complain about access to services for children and youth, or if you believe your views or rights are ignored, or if you think that information about your needs was not given enough consideration. Public Legal Information Association of Newfoundland and Labrador provides general information about the law. If you have a legal question of a general nature, you may call 1-888-660-7788. This service is free and it is available from 9 until 12, Monday to Friday. Public Legal Information Association of Newfoundland and Labrador is also publishing a guide for children and youth whose parents are separating or divorcing. The guide will be available in March of 2013. It will include a dictionary of legal words, and it will cover issues about your safety, your home, money, emotions, and how to obtain help. Another guide, which is available now, is called What Happens Next? Information for Kids about Separation and Divorce. You can find this guide online at www.justice.gc.ca. Your safety is important, and violence is wrong. Get help if you are being abused. Abuse includes beating and threatening to beat or kill. Physical abuse means harming someone in a physical way. Most types of physical abuse are assault, which is a crime in Canada. Sexual abuse is also a crime in Canada. If someone either harms you physically or does something sexual to you, ask an adult you trust for help. Examples of adults you can trust are siblings over the age of 18, grandparents, uncles, aunts, teachers, and neighbors. If someone has done something sexual to you, you can also call the Sexual Assault Line at 1-800-726-2743. If police officers show up at your house, you may want to talk to them. If you or someone else in your family is in immediate danger, call 911 or ask someone to call 911. The Department of Child, Youth, and Family Services protects children and youth in Newfoundland and Labrador. It offers child protection services to help ensure that you are safe and well. It examines complaints of abuse, not only physical and sexual, but also emotional. Emotional abuse is any action or behavior that causes mental or psychological harm to you. Child protection services may intervene or provide support to families. If they intervene, this may lead to the placement of a child with another family, depending on the best interest of the child. To report abuse, call your local police or your local Child, Youth, and Family Services office. Abuse may cause psychological harm, not only physical harm. If you are experiencing mental health problems, call 709-777-3200 or toll free 1-888-737-4668. This service is available every day and at all hours. If you are a victim of a crime, you may want to call Crime Stoppers at 1-800-222-8477 without having to give your name. Or you can contact your local police or victim services. Watch the screen for the contact information of your local victim services. Victim Services offers court preparation booklets and videos for children and youth. They also offer information on how to write a victim impact statement. Victim Services are available to adult victims of crime and to children under the age of 16 who will be testifying in criminal proceedings, either because they are victims of crime or because they are witnesses to crime. Victim Services are also available to the families of these children. The services provided to children include general information on how the courts work, updates on what is happening in your court case, preparation for court, help on how to write a victim impact statement, and therapeutic counseling for children and their families. The court may order one of your parents to pay money to your other parent to buy things you need. This is called child support. The amount of money that a parent must pay for child support is reviewed every year and is often changed if there is a difference in the money that the paying parent makes. This review is called the Child Support Recalculation Service, and it is provided by the Support Enforcement Division. This division may also collect and deliver money from one parent to the other if the court has ordered one parent to pay child support. If the parent who has been ordered to pay child support is not making the payments, you may ask your other parent to call the Support Enforcement Division at 709-637-2608. A parenting arrangement or agreement is a written solution that parents make for the care of their children after a separation or divorce. This includes decisions about where you will live. Your parents may have an arrangement that means that you will have two homes. In Canadian family law, the best interests of children comes first. You will live where it is best for you. Family Justice Services will encourage your parents to make the parenting arrangement outside of court. Family Justice Services also offer mediation to help your parents decide in your best interest. Mediation is a talk between your parents and a mediator, a person whose job it is to help your parents solve their problems without having to go to court. You may tell your parents about free mediation offered by Family Justice Services. Watch the screen for the contact information of your local Family Justice Services.